What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode. You guys want to see something really cool? This here is a new product that I found from CarPro. Now, this product here is used to clean up really disgusting wheels. So I've been using this for the last little bit as a wheel cleaner, and I've been extremely impressed by it. So you guys know when you throw down like a really nice high quality wheel cleaner, how it breaks down those metal contaminants and it starts to turn it purple? Well, there's a product from this company called IronX that does that. Now, this product not only has that stuff in it, but it also has a very strong cleaner so that you can literally spray this on your filthy wheels and it will clean them out without having you have to scrub it. Now, on this label, it does say, after you shake this and stir it up, that you should agitate with a damp sponge or detailing brush and then wash it off. However, I haven't had to do that, and take a look at how disgusting these wheels are. So this wheel and tire right here came off of my Mini Cooper. This is the front wheel, and the front of the car, as you guys know, always gets to see the most amount of abuse. So take a look at the brake dust that you guys see around the perimeter of the wheel. Okay, look what happens when you rub it. And that's still dirty underneath. So there's a healthy amount of brake dust around this entire thing. Now, we're gonna be able to just spray this product onto the wheel, and it should be able to just alleviate all that dirt, pick it up, and let it fall down. All you'll have to do after you do that is rinse it, and the whole wheel will be completely cleaned. Now, with the wheel spun around, you'll be able to see the backside, or the barrel of the wheel. Now, inside of here, you'll find the brake rotor, the brake pads, and all of that dirt that's happening inside. So what you're seeing back here is pretty much worst case scenario. So what we're gonna be able to do is literally spray this product on, let it sit for about a minute, and then we'll be able to rinse it off. So using this product here from CarPro, this is their tricks. You're just gonna stir this up. So you can tell right now that this is totally dry. You can do this while the wheel is damp. However, I found that it's a little bit more effective when you leave it dry. So with the wheel dry, you're just gonna spray all of the painted surface with this product, okay? So you see how it's brown? Watch what happens when you wait. So after a full minute of letting this product sit, you can see that the dirt is literally coming off of the wheel. Now, can you also tell that it's all turned purple? So that means that the iron contaminants that are embedded onto the wheel are coming off. Now, if your wheel is really dirty like mine, you can spray it a little bit more. But basically, when it gets to that purple color, you can let that sit there for like another minute, and then you're gonna rinse this off. So whenever you're ready, grab your pressure washer or a hose and just rinse this off. Look at that difference. Now with the clean microfiber towel, let me show you that you'll be able to pick up basically no dirt on here. See how it's still clean? Check that out. You're not picking up anything else. So after you do that to both the rear of the wheel and the front face, you're gonna have a completely cleaned up wheel. Now let me show you what happens when you do this to the front. You can see on the bottom side of the wheel where some of the wheel cleaner basically rinsed off. You can see that it cleaned some parts down here. Now, I'm gonna show you this little area here. So that is where we touched the wheel in the beginning of this video. I'm gonna show you that you don't even need to scrub it and you'll be able to clean that up. So just like before, just stir this up a little bit, spray this on, let this sit, and then rinse it off. Now, I'm not gonna pause the camera just to show you guys how well this stuff works. So take a look at this. You guys remember how I touched my thumb and I rubbed it along here? You cannot see any kind of fingerprints. There's no dirt left over, and this wheel looks incredibly clean. I gotta say, I am very impressed with this product. And that is honestly why I decided to make this video specifically about this. So this wheel looks incredible without having to use any brushes, any bristles, any scrubbing, no nothing. I gotta say, I am very impressed. What do you guys think? So if you have a German car that has notoriously bad brake dust, you can use this to clean it up. If you have a car that has upgraded brake pads and rotors, you can use this to clean it up. If you have a daily and you want to just clean up these wheels and make them look good, you can use this to clean it up. It's really that sick. Now, if I find a nice tool or a nice product and I've been using it for a little bit and I've had great results with it, I'm gonna share it with you guys. I am not getting paid to like promote their product at all, by any means. The only kind of attention that they will get from this is if they by accident just stumble upon this video. This stuff is seriously good. And honestly, I've used some of CarPro's products before, like their ceramic coating and even some of their other cleaning products. They're typically top-notch. They're usually a really good product. Yeah, I am a big fan of Meguiar's and some other companies, but right now, this company right here is like my go-to if I want a nice wheel cleaner. Now, you guys see the wheel that's behind me? Obviously, this is a wheel-off cleaning procedure, but you guys can definitely do this too if you guys want to clean the wheels that are on your car without taking them off. So this here is my daily. See how disgusting these wheels are because of the brakes that are found behind there? Well, take a look. Same product, you literally spray it on. You let it soak for a little bit, get it into the barrel if you can, let it sit, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna spray this down. Now, as you guys are noticing this, if this is your first time cleaning the wheel, you'll notice that the dirt will start to turn purplish kind of color. Now, you're gonna see that on both the rotor, you're gonna find that on the caliper, you're gonna find this on the painted surface of the wheel, and you can also spray this on your paint, like the car paint, and your glass. So because all of these iron contaminants that are on the rotor are coming off when you're braking, you're gonna also find that behind the car. So you can spray this and use this just like Iron X if you guys are familiar with that product. So I'm just gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna rinse this down. 3 minutes later, you can go ahead and rinse this all down. So take a look at how silver this wheel is. So this here is the after. Now if we move to the other side of the car, we'll be able to see the before. What a difference. And take a look at all the junk that's come out of it from cleaning it. Filthy. You guys tell me, is it worth it? So after now cleaning this front wheel, I need to go ahead and clean all the other ones because now this one looks so good in comparison to the rest. But otherwise, guys, I mean, this stuff is a really great product. I know I've said it a couple times. It's good, it speaks for itself. There's like no work that needs to be done. You spray it on, you let it sit, you rinse it off. It's that easy. If you guys wanna find more information about this stuff or even a purchase link, you guys can find one in the description box. It'll direct you right to Amazon where you guys can get your own with free shipping. Pretty nice stuff if you ask me. Anyways, guys, do you have any further questions regarding the video? Comment section's down there, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.